Welcome all of you. So these are questions on latent heat which I am doing from Concise Physics. Please check in the playlist. You will get more questions from latent heat, and also if you check in the playlist you will also get specific heat numericals. Okay, I have separate videos for specific heat numericals because this chapter calorimetry is divided into two parts. The second part is latent heat, which I am doing now. The first part is specific heat capacity, which I have done before. So you'll get videos from specific heat capacity as well. Okay, so let's start. 2 kg of ice melts when water at 100 degree is poured in a hole drilled in the block of ice. What is the mass of water used? Okay, so here they are asking how much of water is required to melt that 2 kg of ice. So you have a block of ice in which you have made a hole. Now you want to melt it by pouring water. Okay, so and water is boiling at 100 degree. I can see water is at 100 degree. Okay, so how much of water will be poured? Now one thing, the moment I see this question, I see this 2 kg, immediately I look at the unit of these, because while I am doing the sums it should not go wrong. So here this is kg, immediately I see this because you get this units even with grams. Okay, so when I say this, okay, I see that the unit is correct. I can just put them without making any changes. Here also this is also in kgs, so no problem, I can proceed with my question. So here 2 kg of ice. Okay, how much of heat will this ice take? Okay, let's see that first. Another thing I want to say in these questions, when they say 2 kg of ice and they don't mention the temperature of the ice, remember they are assuming and they are expecting you to assume that the ice is at 0 degree. If the ice is below 0 degree, minus 10, minus 20, they will have to mention it. But if they haven't mentioned, it means you can take it as 0 degree. Okay, so heat gained. What amount of heat is gained? Okay, heat gained is 2 and 336 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, because this is the latent heat and ice was already at 0 degree. So mass of the ice into the latent heat, whatever it comes to is my answer. I am not calculating it right now. You don't have to calculate it. Okay, heat lost by the water, because they are pouring it 100 degree. So m be the mass of the water, which we don't know, we are supposed to find this. Okay, the water that we pour in the ice, that also comes down to 0 degree finally. So the difference in temperature is how much? The difference in temperature is 100. Okay, and how much is the specific heat capacity? 4200. Okay, so heat lost is equal to heat gained. So this is here, heat lost is equal to heat gained, m into 4200 into 100, which is 2 into 336 into 10 cube. Okay, so here this is heat lost and this is heat gained. Okay, so if we want to find m, 2 into, see, this is where we save time. Without multiplying, even we can do the sum, because nobody is giving us marks for multiplying and getting the answer in joules. No need to write units also over here. Finally, at the end of the sum, you can write your units. Okay, so here even without multiplying, I am doing it because this gives me very fast calculations. Okay, so now cancel. Okay, with a 7, 4s are 28 and 5, 7, 8s are 56. Okay, if I still cancel, I get a 10 here, I get a 16 here. So how much do I get? I get 1.6. Now since the mass here was also taken in kg, here this is in kg, this, all the units are in kg. When I find the mass, it will automatically come in kg. So the amount of heat, amount of water that has to be poured to melt 2 kg of ice, water being at 100 degrees centigrade, is 1.6 kg water has to be poured. Okay, so that's it. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, because till your ICSE lots of videos will be uploaded one after the other from different chapters, maths and physics. Also, do not forget to check my other channel. You will get it in the channel page, that is Paul's 10th board maths. Okay, please check it in the channel page, you will get it there, and there only maths videos are being uploaded, so you can take a look there. Very important videos are being uploaded in that channel too. Okay, thanks all of you, bye then.